Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple logo stroke animation from a flat design logo using After Effects. First, create a new composition and adjust the size based on your needs. Second, import the logo you want to animate. In this tutorial, I'm using an Adobe Illustrator file. Next, convert the logo into a shape layer in After Effects, so we can easily adjust the colors and animate it. After that, duplicate the layer to create the stroke animation. On the duplicated layer, go to Contents, choose Add Stroke, and then turn off the fill color. Next, select Contents again and add Trim Paths. Here, adjust the end and offset keyframes to create the stroke animation. Then, refine the animation by selecting all keyframes, right-clicking, choosing Keyframe Assistant, and selecting Easy Ease. Open the graph editor and adjust the speed graph to make the motion smoother. After that, adjust the scale to add movement to the logo, and fine-tune the speed graph. For the fill logo layer, use parent and link and connect it to the outline layer to keep the movement consistent. Then, adjust the opacity of the fill logo layer. As a finishing touch, add a glow effect to the outline. And you can also add a light sweep effect to the fill logo layer for a more dynamic look. And that's it. Now you can create a simple outline logo animation from a flat logo design. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more After Effects tutorial content. Thank you.